New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
We are starting off this morning with quiet conditions for parts of central New York, while other locations are seeing some rain. As we take a live look at our CAV tower cam, looking towards downtown Utica, of course, still dark with that sunrise for not another 2 hours. As you head out the door this morning, gonna need that light jacket as temperatures are starting off near 50 degrees. And you're also gonna need the umbrella for this morning and sunglasses as we head towards this afternoon. We're officially at 50 degrees at Griffith Park, but look at Syracuse at 56, 57 in Rochester, 48 at Saranac Lake. Again, I am tracking some showers right now over the city of Utica on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we zoom out, there is more in the way of some rain just to our west. That's going to be moving in this morning before a warm front pushes on through, and that warm front going to give us drier conditions as we head towards this afternoon and into the evening hours. So on our skycast by noon, majority of that rain is across the North Country, drying out for the Mohawk Valley and for the southern valleys. As we head towards 5 p.m., warming up into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees with quiet conditions. It's not until tonight after sunset, pretty much after 8 o'clock, we will see that rain move into the region. Do expect rain throughout the overnight into tomorrow morning as that cold front moves across central New York. So for today, clouds, some showers this morning, few peaks of sun this afternoon with temperatures near 70 degrees. For tonight, we'll see rain throughout the overnight. We'll drop back into the mid-50s. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast for tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies with temperatures starting off in the 50s but dropping throughout the day, with cool weather continuing for Saturday and for Sunday, with temperatures staying in the 50s as we head towards next week. Katrina?
Thanks, Jill.
The time is 5:21. We're saying good morning to Richfield Springs and all the greater Utica region. Look at those animals enjoying the beautiful weather that we did see on Wednesday. Fantastic weather across the region. Hopefully you had a chance to enjoy it. If not, we have some photos to pass along to you from Wednesday. Our first photo is from Round Lake. This is from Bob Joy. Again, look at the beautiful blue sunny skies that were around on Wednesday. Our next photo sent in, this is from Cedarville, the sunset from last night. This was also posted on Facebook from Roxanne. And then we head to Twitter. Linda Trace took a great photo of the full moon, the Hunter's moon, and that peaked on Wednesday. And then one more photo. She said there's still some color in Otsego County. This is in Middlefield. Now for today and tomorrow, as well as Saturday, your best bet to take care of the lawn will be later on this afternoon. Now tomorrow the ground is going to be wet because we're going to see steady rain throughout the overnight. So if you can't get to it tomorrow, Saturday is another best bet across the region. We'll look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
A few showers to start your Thursday morning across central New York. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies. Let's take a live look at our CAV tower cam looking towards downtown Utica. For this morning, temperatures not bad in the low 50s. I am tracking just a few showers across the region for this morning. Those will dissipate and will begin to dry out as we head towards this afternoon with another warm day. Temperatures will make their way into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Now enjoy it, because things are going to be changing as we head towards this weekend with much cooler weather. We are starting off up across the North Country at 52 in Lowville, 48 in Big Moose, 51 in Utica, 47 in Little Falls, 55 in Deansboro. Across the Southern Valleys, 49 in Sherburne, 50 in Cooperstown, and 47 in Schenevus. Again, right now, relatively dry conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, with just a few stray showers across central New York. But you will notice a little bit more in the way of some rain to our west. Most of that will lift to the north, but there will be a few showers showing up on our skycast for this morning. As we head towards the noon hour, drying out, temperatures warming up to near 70 degrees as we head towards this afternoon, with dry conditions this afternoon and into the evening hours. For tonight, more in the way of some widespread rain. The cold front's going to move in as we head into the overnight and into tomorrow morning. So for today, clouds, a few sprinkles this morning, mostly cloudy skies this afternoon with temperatures near 70 degrees. For tonight, we'll drop back into the 50s under mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers throughout the overnight. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast, mostly cloudy conditions for tomorrow, much cooler not only for Friday, but as we head towards Saturday and Sunday. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill.
The time is 5:53. Of course, we're counting down the top 5 weather events that I've covered because this one is not a weather event. This is the brewery fire at the FX Matt Brewery. This was in May of 2008. This is one of my first live shots ever at WKTV, just less than a year than at the station. I was expected to go live for weather, and then I had to turn that into breaking news. So that's pretty much my claim to fame here at WKTV. Anyways, for today, we are starting off with a few showers across central New York. So as you head to school this morning, you may need the umbrella or the rain jacket as temperatures will be near 50 degrees, but drying out as we head towards this afternoon with temperatures in the upper 60s. We'll look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Joe.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Joe Rio.
We are starting off this morning with some scattered showers across central New York, but quiet conditions on our CAV Tower Cam as we are looking towards downtown Utica for this morning. So as you head out the door, light jacket will be needed across the region, or just the rain jacket. You're also going to grab the umbrella and the sunglasses. Umbrella this morning, sunglasses as we head towards this afternoon. We're sitting at 49 degrees officially at Griffith Park, 57 in Syracuse, 55 in Albany, 52 at Saranac Lake. As we go throughout today, we'll be tracking a warm front. That warm front is bringing us just a few spotty showers this morning on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we go throughout the morning hours, that warm front is going to lift to the north. Behind it, dry conditions across the region with even a few peaks of sunshine for the second half of today. So on our skycast, by the noon hour, the majority of the precipitation is across the North Country. So if you are traveling up north, up in Lewis County, northern Herkimer County, you will see some showers throughout the morning hours. As we go throughout the afternoon, everybody dries out with temperatures warming up to near 70 degrees. For tonight, dry to start, but rain will move in after about 8, 9 o'clock. Even a few rumbles of thunder possible during the overnight as that cold front makes its way through the area. So for today, clouds, a few showers this morning, mostly cloudy skies this afternoon with temperatures near 70 degrees. For tonight, we'll drop back into the upper 50s with rain, even a few rumbles of thunder throughout the overnight into tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow, we are going to start off the day in the mid-50s, but those temperatures are going to drop into the 40s as we head towards tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And we're going to stay on the cool side as we head towards the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you.
The time is 6:21. We're saying good morning to Richfield Springs and all of the greater Utica region. We did see plenty of sunshine throughout the day on Wednesday, and if you missed it, we have some great weather photos to pass along to you. Our first one is from Round Lake. This is from Bob Joy, loving the reflection of the bright blue sunny skies that we did see on Wednesday. And with those clear skies, made for a great sunset. This is in Cedarville. This photo was sent in from Roxanne, also posted on Facebook. Then we head to Twitter. Of course, we got to look at that full moon, the Hunter's moon from last night. This is from Linda Trace, and she also took some photos of the foliage. She said there's still some color in Otsego County. This is in Middlefield. Again, for today, we are going to be seeing dry conditions this afternoon. So if you want to get any raking done, today's a good day to do so. Tomorrow, we are going to be dealing with a bit of a wind, and the ground is going to be wet from the rain that we're going to see tonight. Another great opportunity will be on Saturday. We will be checking your morning commute forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Joe.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Joe Rio.
We are starting off this morning with a few showers across central New York. These showers will be around throughout the morning hours as we take a live look at our CAV Tower Cam. Again, looking towards downtown Utica for this morning. As we go throughout the morning hours, may need to grab that rain jacket or umbrella. These showers will not be sticking around throughout the day. We will see more sunshine this afternoon with helping temperatures warm up a bit. Those warm temperatures won't be lasting, though. Much cooler weather as we head towards this weekend. Sky watchers this morning, 45 in Gray, 46 in Inlet, 47 in Glenmore, 48 in Westell, 49 in Old Forge, a pair of 50s from Clinton and Oppenheim, 53 in New Hartford. Across the southern valleys, also waking up in the 40s and 50s, 48 in Edmondson and Hartwick, 49 in Milford, and 53 in Cooperstown. Again, just a few spotty showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The bulk of the precipitation is now heading to the North Country. So if you do live in Lewis or northern Herkimer counties, you will see some showers as they continue to push to the north and to the east as we go throughout the morning. So on our skycast, you will notice some rain showers by noon across the north country. Elsewhere, just mostly cloudy skies. We'll see some sunshine as we head it towards this afternoon. By 5 p.m., beautiful weather with mostly sunny conditions and temperatures near 70 degrees. Now for tonight, that's when that cold front arrives. Do expect rain after about 10 o'clock, even a few rumbles of thunder possible throughout the overnight into early tomorrow morning. So for today, a few showers this morning, sunshine this afternoon. Temperatures will be near 70 degrees. Better chance for some rain for tonight into early tomorrow. We'll drop back into the 50s. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast for tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a bit cooler as well with temperatures in the mid-50s. We're going to stay in the 50s as we head towards the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you, Joe. With
Time is 5:52. I'm counting down the top 5 events I have covered over the past 14 years at WKTV, and coming in at number 2, I couldn't just do one. We're just talking about flooding in general. This started all the way back in 2006 when I was an intern and Bill Curtis was just a brand new hire. We actually covered the flood of June 2006 together, still in college at that point in time. And from there on, we went from Irene and Lee in 2011 to the June 2013 flooding in Herkimer, as well as the July 1st flooding in Utica, of course the Halloween floods, and the flooding from Fred from over the summer. And this is just some of the flooding events we have covered here at WKTV over the last 15 years. Now for today, we are dealing with just a few showers across the region. No flooding throughout today, just a few sprinkles this morning, drying out though as we head it towards this afternoon. Look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Joe. It's time.
The time is 7:13. We are waking up with cloudy skies for up here on Smith Hill as we take a live look towards downtown Utica. We're seeing some beautiful fall foliage up here on Smith Hill, though. A different story in Oneonta. They are seeing a gorgeous sunrise to start the day on a Mirabito Tower Cam, but a different story once again up in Old Forge, where they are seeing mostly cloudy skies, still quite dark up in Old Forge. Old Forge has the best chance to see that rain as we go throughout today. Now, we'll be tracking a warm front for this morning into the afternoon with a chance for some showers this morning. I'll have your rake cast coming up in less than 10 minutes. Katrina?
Thank you, Joe.
7:16. We are waking up with a few sprinkles across central New York, but the weather is going to greatly improve as we go throughout today. So if you want to take care of the lawn for today, the weather is going to stay relatively quiet, especially for this afternoon. It's going to get quite warm across the region. Temperatures will be making their way to near 70 degrees. Again, that chance of the rain will be happening this morning. Now, tomorrow is not your best bet. While most of the day tomorrow will be dry, we're going to be seeing some steady rain throughout the overnight into early Friday morning. So that means the ground is going to be quite wet across the region. And then for Saturday, less in the way of rain and the ground will begin to dry out. Now, if you had your kids to school this morning, just an umbrella may be needed for this morning with that chance for some rain, and temperatures near 50 degrees. We'll be in the upper 60s with more sunshine on your way home from school. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Joe.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Joe Rio.
Starting up your Thursday with mostly cloudy skies and a few showers around. As we take a live look at our CAV Tower Cam, we're seeing that cloud cover over the city of Utica for this morning. Now, I am tracking some scattered showers throughout the morning hours as a warm front approaches, so do expect mild temperatures once again for today before cold weather arrives as we head towards this weekend. Sky watchers this morning, 47 in Glenmore, 45 in Gray, but 53 in New Hartford. Across the southern valleys, waking up to 53 degrees in Cooperstown, 48 in Edmondson and Hartwick, and 49 in Milford. Dry right now over the Mohawk Valley on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some showers will move into the north country as we go throughout the morning hours, and then we will begin to dry out across the region. So any showers around this morning will give way to some sunshine as we head it towards this afternoon. Temperatures will warm up to near 70 degrees for tonight. Rain returns. Rain, even a few rumbles of thunder possible as we head into the overnight and into tomorrow morning as a strong cold front approaches the region. So for this morning, clouds, a few showers around, giving way to sunshine this afternoon with temperatures near 70 degrees. For tonight, we'll drop back into the 50s with rain developing throughout the overnight, continuing into early tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow, We will start off in the mid-50s across the region, but the temperature will be dropping into the 40s as we head towards the afternoon. And then we will stay in the low 50s as we head towards Saturday and for Sunday. Cloudy skies on Saturday with a chance of rain as we head towards Sunday.
Joining us for News Channel 2 at noon, Jill's in the Weather Center tracking scattered showers right now, as you saw on the Doppler radar. Widespread rain moves in later tonight with a cold front as well. A lot to get to, so let's get right to the Weather Center.
That's right. We are tracking rain right now over the Utica area. It is not going to last, though. These showers are quickly pushing to the east. Behind it, actually a few peaks of sun as we go throughout the afternoon. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, those showers continue to make their way towards Herkimer County, Fulton, and Montgomery counties. And behind it, if you look back towards Syracuse and especially Rochester, you will notice some breaks in the clouds. So once that warm front makes its way out of the region, we will see some sunshine later today. Temperature's not bad considering we are dealing with rain. We're at 55 in Old Forge, 59 in Glenmore, 66 in Clinton, 69 in Cooperstown, and 61 in Cassville as well as Mohawk. As we go throughout the afternoon, again, we are going to see more in the way of some sunshine, but before another round of rain moves in, I'll track that coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
We are starting off this afternoon with a few showers across the region. Those showers will be dissipating as a warm front makes its way through the area. A live look at our CAV tower cam looking towards downtown Utica. You will notice the cloud cover over Utica as well as the fall foliage. We are seeing beautiful colors up here on Smith Hill for this afternoon. A live look down in Oneonta. They're still seeing that cloud cover. Not too much in the way of rain, though, on a Marabito tower cam down across the city of Oneonta, but they have been seeing rain up in Old Forge. As we take a live look, Old Forge Pond, we're seeing those dark clouds and those showers continuing for this afternoon. So your weather headlines as we go throughout the afternoon. Mild weather will continue. Temperatures are going to make their way into the upper 60s to low 70s with another round of rain moving in tonight. That round of rain will be that cold front that's going to make its way into the region as we head into tonight and into early tomorrow morning. That's going to usher in some cool air just in time for the weekend. We're at 61 degrees officially at Griffith Park in Rome, with rain being reported not only in Rome but Syracuse as well. Look at Binghamton, mostly sunny skies, 62 degrees, 70 in Poughkeepsie with plenty of sunshine. So I am tracking that rain on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar from Old Forge to Utica, but notice down towards Oneonta, the rain is not making its way into Otsego County. Now, the back end of these showers are back towards Syracuse, so we are going to begin to dry out as we go throughout the afternoon. You will notice just south of Rochester, some breaks in the clouds. We will see a bit more sunshine as we head throughout the second half of today. As that warm front makes its way towards Vermont and into Canada, we will be drying out for a short period of time before more rain moves into the area. So scattered showers will continue early this afternoon, then we really dry out throughout the afternoon and into the early evening hours. But notice that change in that precipitation as we head towards tonight, especially around midnight, continuing into early tomorrow morning. So if you want to head outdoors today, this afternoon, great opportunity to do so, or wait until Friday and Saturday, but it is going to be much cooler. So on our Skycast, by 5 p.m., we're seeing some sunshine, temperatures near 70 degrees, so a warm afternoon. Now tonight, after about 9-10 o'clock, rain is going to move in. Maybe even a few rumbles of thunder throughout the overnight as that cold front makes its way through. We're going to start off in the 50s tomorrow morning, but you will notice as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, we're dropping into the 40s as colder air makes its way into the region. So again, rainfall amounts between a ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch, especially across the North Country. This is through tomorrow morning. Not expecting any flooding issues as we go throughout today and tonight. So the rain comes to an end this afternoon. Temperatures near 70 degrees. Tonight will be in the 50s. It's going to be mild with rain continuing throughout the overnight into early tomorrow morning. As we head towards tomorrow, we'll be in the 50s across the region, and we'll stay in the 50s as we head towards the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. Hundreds were evacuated today on the Spanish island of La Palma as a river of molten rock crept deeper into the coastal town during a protracted volcanic eruption. Scientists from the Geological Survey of Spain, with the support of the Military Emergency Unit, measured 1,796 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface of the molten rock. Emergency services helped some 500 people leave their homes. Well, thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 at noon. I'm Katrina Smith. Let's get right to the Weather Center once again. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
So though, for those who want to check out what is left of the fall foliage. We are past peak on higher elevations, especially across the Adirondacks and the highest elevations across the southern valleys. Now, for the Mohawk Valley and lower elevations, we're pretty much at peak at this point in time. Will continue as we get closer towards the weekend. Not the best weather right now to check out the fall foliage, as we are dealing with some showers, but those showers are going to quickly taper off as we go throughout the afternoon hours. So the weather is going to greatly improve on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And of course, with that warm front moving in, temperatures are going to warm up nicely. We're in the 60s right now across the Mohawk Valley, 64 in Little Falls, 60 in Whitesboro, 61 in Deansboro. Across the Southern Valley, 64 in Sherburne, 66 in Cooperstown, and 66 in Schenevus. We'll make it to near 70 degrees and more sunshine for this afternoon. I'll track that sun coming up. Katrina?
Thank you so much.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
We are dealing with some scattered showers for this afternoon under mostly cloudy skies as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Looking towards the Mohawk Valley, we are seeing those low-lying clouds over the city of Utica for this afternoon. We're also seeing mostly cloudy skies on our area mesonet cameras from Westmoreland to Lawrence up towards Oppenheim, Piseco, and Coldbrook. So again, as we go throughout the afternoon, the rain showers will be coming to an end. We'll see a few peaks of sun as that mild weather continues for today as that warm front makes its way through the region. But a cold front arrives tonight, and that's going to bring us some rain, even a few thunderstorms for tonight. And then we're going to see even cooler weather as we head it towards this weekend, with temperatures barely getting to near 50 degrees with the potential for some frost. We're at 61 degrees at Griffith Park, which is not bad considering we haven't seen any sunshine just yet. 65 in Syracuse. The sun is out in Rochester at 63 degrees. I am tracking that rain on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Seeing some showers right now between Utica and Rome as you head towards Marcy, Kirkland, right along the New York State Thruway, up towards Trenton on Route 12 and Route 8. We're also tracking more in the way of some steady rain. Notice some yellow showing up, indicating pockets of some moderate rain as you head up towards Lake Pleasant, as well as Stratford, getting closer to Caroga. Then for the southern valleys, we're just seeing a few sprinkles for this afternoon down towards Cooperstown, as well as Milford, Edmiston, and Sherburne. Not much in the way of widespread rain for the southern valleys for this afternoon. Now that precipitation is continuing to push to the east, drier air to our west, so we are going to begin to dry out as we go throughout the afternoon hours. So that chance of rain drops dramatically for this afternoon as we head towards this evening, especially after about 9 o'clock, where we're going to see widespread rain move into the region, even a few rumbles of thunder possible for tonight. So you may be able to take care of the lawn later this afternoon if the lawn does dry out. If not, you have tomorrow and Saturday before more showers move in as we head towards Sunday. So under Skycast, stopping the clock at 5 p.m. dry with some sunshine across the region. Temperatures will be near 70 degrees for tonight. It's not till after about 9-10 o'clock that rain will move on in. A few rumbles of thunder possible during the overnight as that cold front makes its way through the area. We'll start off Friday with some showers across the region and temperatures in the 50s. By tomorrow afternoon, we're dropping into the 40s with much cooler air. So rainfall amounts, the highest rainfall amounts will be for the North Country from Boonville to Old Forge. Most locations will see a quarter to a half an inch of rain for tonight into tomorrow morning. The showers right now will be coming to an end. We'll see quiet conditions for this afternoon. Tonight, rain returns, even a few rumbles of thunder with temperatures in the 50s. Taking a look at the rest of your forecast as we head towards tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies. We'll start off in the 50s, but we'll drop into the 40s as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. Katrina?
Thank you.
This afternoon, showers will be tapering off. We'll see some sunshine. Temperatures will be warming up to near 70 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies as we head towards Friday, with temperatures starting up in the 50s, but dropping into the 40s as we head towards the afternoon. We're going to stay in the 50s as we head towards the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. That'll do it for News Channel 2 at noon. From all of us here, have a wonderful rest of your day.
Let's get over to the Chief Meteorologist, Bill Curtis.
We are tracking some rain to the west. A leading edge of some cooler weather will be what arrives as we head into tonight as well as tomorrow. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and you can see that things are looking quiet across our area for now, but to the west, some rain starting to approach, and that's going to be about 2 to 3 hours away from impacting our area. So if you're looking to enjoy a very warm evening, you do have time to do so. Our current temperature is 71 degrees. This is the 12th day in October where temperatures have been at or above 70. It has been a record month so far. A round of some heavier rain tonight as that cold front arrives. Cooler weather to follow as we head into tomorrow. And we are looking at cooler, cloudy weather heading into the weekend. It is mostly cloudy. It is mild as you head into this evening with temperatures in the 60s. We're tracking the weather over the weekend. We're also taking a look at the fall color that is still around and what places would be best to see that fall color. And that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Chillier temperatures, of course, on the way. And
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Look at how much color is in the sky from our tower cam this evening. This is looking to the west. The leaves are colorful. The sky is colorful. It is a lovely scene here on Smith Hill. And we're experiencing warm temperatures out there. And we do have some rain to the west. But if you're trying to get out and enjoy a last hour of daylight that we have across the area, maybe doing some chores, maybe just going for a walk, the weather should be fine. We are tracking some rainfall to the west. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's raining between Syracuse and Rochester. This is moving slowly enough where I think that the majority of this arrives in about 2 to 3 hours. So after dark is when we should see the rain start to pick up. And we are keeping an eye on this, too, because this is part of a cold front, a strong cold front, that could produce some locally heavy rain. We're not expecting severe weather, but, again, we do expect to see some locally heavy rain as that rolls through. Fall colors are past peak in a lot of areas. You can still get some color here and there, but we are starting to see the most brilliant colors wane along the higher elevations as we head into the weekend. With the winds picking up, I think we're going to have a lot of leaf fall. A lot more bare trees as we head into early next week. Temperatures, Rome 71, Whitesboro 72, Dolgeville 70 degrees, Little Falls 71. Very mild out there this evening. That's been the story almost this entire month of October. Cooperstown 70, Skenevis 68, and Sherburne with 69. Great weather to take the dog out for a walk. Again, I encourage you to go out sooner than later. Tonight's featured dog is a Buckaroo, playing with the leaves. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Here's the temperature trend. Much cooler weather ahead. Today's high was 70, but we're going to be into the 50s here for the rest of the week, into the weekend and early next week. A cold front responsible for all the changes in our weather, and that cold front arrives tonight. We'll see a round of some rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder near midnight. Much cooler weather to follow on Friday. Mostly cloudy skies, some scattered lake effect rain showers. Tomorrow's going to be one of those days where it will be cooler in the afternoon compared to the morning. And we'll see those temperatures continue to fall into Friday night. And on Saturday, clouds linger around in just typical fall conditions with mostly cloudy skies and temperatures struggling to hit 50 degrees. Rain tonight down to 53. Tomorrow, we go up 1 whole degree, and that's in the morning. We'll spend most of the day in the low 50s to upper 40s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Cloudy skies, chilly over the weekend, but seasonably chilly, though. Temperatures in the 50s, and again, a scattered rain shower or two is possible. Monday, same deal, low 50s. Tuesday, cloudy skies, some late rain showers. We're into the upper 50s Wednesday and Thursday. And coming up in the next half hour, we're taking a look at a chilly night for high school football.
All right, Bill, thank you. A consumer alert. The
Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking football weather.
Yeah, football tomorrow night. It is going to be a chilly one for high school football. You want to keep that in mind if you're going to be going to watch a game. Temperatures will be the coolest they've been all season, in the 40s. So definitely great football weather, but again, chilly for the fans. And I think the weather will be pretty decent. I think the rain will hold off. We're looking at breezy conditions. And again, biggest story, the chill in the air. We're tracking some rain showers approaching from the west. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This line of rain is about 2 to 3 hours away from impacting our area. So we'll say 7 to 9 p.m. is when we can expect those showers to arrive. This is the leading edge of a cold front. The bulk of that comes through tonight, and it's going to really knock down the temperature. This evening, temperatures will remain in the 60s, mostly cloudy skies. We are tracking that round of rain and the cooler weather to follow as we head into the weekend. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The nation is dealing.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking increase in cloud cover as well as some showers to the west. But if you are looking to get out this evening, you've got some time to enjoy a very mild day. Temperatures have climbed into the 70s in the lower elevations. This is a live look in Cooperstown where the clouds have returned, but it's still pretty mild. A live look at the Yorkville Battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can clearly see the rain approaching from the west. This is out towards Syracuse, the leading edge of this rain. This is about 2 to 3 hours away from rolling in. So if you are looking to get out, now is a good time to enjoy some mild weather. And this rain will eventually catch up with us. And this is going to be the beginning of a very large change in the weather. We're going to get back to more typical temperatures here as we head into the weekend. Take a look at the overnight lows. I really wanted to highlight some of those colder nights ahead, specifically Saturday and Sunday night. Overnight lows drop down into the mid-30s, so we will have a much higher chance of getting frost. This is temperatures for the lower elevations for Rome and Utica, so that means the outlying areas will likely get a frost. Also wanted to point out that the growing season, at least according to the Weather Service, is generally over with, so they typically don't issue frosts in our area after a certain date, and for many of us it's usually early October. So even though frost will be in the forecast, we won't necessarily get those frost advisories. Those are really meant for early frosts, so farmers and folks involved with agriculture can take care of that. Norway 65 degrees, Alder Creek 62, West Leyden 63, across Southern Valley, Secoit MJ 66 degrees, Richfield Jim with 69. Here comes that cold front to the west. This will be driving our weather tonight, and it brings in much cooler weather as we head into the weekend. Tonight, a round of rain arrives, heaviest around and just after midnight. We also could see a rumble of thunder with this. This moves through, and by the time we head and wake up tomorrow morning, we're looking at cloudy skies. Some scattered light rain showers around for Friday, cloudy skies. And it's going to be one of those days where it will be warmer in the morning than the afternoon. Yes, we're talking about falling temperatures. Be into the 40s heading into Friday evening. Chilly Friday night down into the upper 30s. And Saturday just looks like a gray, typical fall day. Cloudy skies, maybe a few breaks in the overcasts later in the day. Temperatures close to 50, and that is it for the high temperature. Rain tonight, a low of 53. Tomorrow, clouds, showers, an early high of 54. That's it. We only go up 1 degree. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Cooler weather gradually works in. Temperatures in the low 50s over the weekend. Some scattered showers on Sunday, rather. And we're talking about a few scattered showers Monday, light rain Tuesday, sunshine, temperatures in the upper 50s Wednesday and Thursday. Coming up at 6 o'clock, an update on fall foliage and where the best places to see color would be across our local area. Stay with us.
The forecast at 6. Let's go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Tracking some very light rain showers approaching from the west. It's going to be a very mild evening here in central New York. Check out the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain is not in our area just yet, so it is a dry evening, at least for the next 1 to 2 hours. I'm expecting this round of showers to arrive between about 7 to 9 p.m., and another round of rain will follow this as a cold front approaches from the west. Current temperature is 68 degrees. It's a very warm day. We hit 70 earlier this afternoon for the 12th day this October. This has been a record month so far. Rounds of heavier rain will be approaching the region tonight, maybe even a rumble of thunder near or just after midnight. This is all in response to a cold front which will roll through the area tonight, and this brings much cooler weather to the region tomorrow as well as the weekend. The clouds lingering around. It's going to feel like the middle of fall, as it is, as we head into the weekend. This evening, mostly cloudy, mild temperatures in the 60s. We're tracking the drop in temperature and also the change in fall foliage across the area, and that's coming up. Back over to you.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking changes in the weather. An approaching cold front arriving tonight will bring a significant and very noticeable drop in the temperature as we head into tomorrow. This is a live look at our CAV tower cam. You can see the last glimpses of sunshine in the sky. Actually, a very pretty sunset taking place as we overlook the city of Utica. We are looking to the west, and we can see a round of rain approaching the area. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This rain's about 1 to 2 hours away from impacting our area. You can see that it is a wide swath of rain, and there's more to come west of Buffalo. This is all part of a cold front, which brings, again, that dramatic drop in the temperature. Have a look at temperatures as we head into the next several days. We're looking at overnight lows in the mid-30s, which means we will have better chances for frost as we head into the weekend and early next week. This is also going to help the leaves fall off the trees. This is a look at the fall foliage report, and you can see that lots of places are near or past peak, especially along the higher elevations. And again, things are going to move along very quickly here over the next couple of weeks. We're going to see those leaves come down quickly as the nights continue to cool off. Sky watchers in the 60s, Glenmore 64 degrees, West Leiden 63. In the southern valleys, Cooperstown is 68, Milford, Mark checks in with 63, and Harry and Otsego with 64. There's the cold front approaching from the west, that area of low pressure driving it. The front arrives tonight near midnight. We might have a rumble of thunder with this. It's very difficult to predict thunder, especially in late October, but if there is a chance for it happening, tonight would be one of those chances. Heading into Friday, cloudy skies, a couple of sprinkles around. Otherwise, just a cloudy gray afternoon. It starts out warmer Friday morning compared to Friday afternoon. That means temperatures will be falling throughout the day. Friday night, chilly, temperatures in the 40s. We're dry on Saturday, but we also have plenty of cloud cover. Those clouds will be lingering around throughout Saturday afternoon. Temperatures will be near 50 degrees. Rain tonight, low of 53. Tomorrow, cloudy skies and a much cooler day. We go up a whole degree, a high of 54. Again, most of the day we'll be seeing falling temperatures. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Into the 30s Friday night, cloudy skies Saturday 52, a sprinkle is possible Sunday. Some chances for rain Monday and Tuesday, temperatures in the 50s early next week. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6, the meteorologist Bill Cardis. What are we talking tonight, Bill?
Well, Jason, we're tracking some rain that continues to work in from the west, and we are talking about much cooler temperatures ahead. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain is widespread and steady, and it continues to move through our area. In fact, we're looking farther to the west. We can even see some rumbles of thunder out near Rochester and Syracuse. And that is the cold front that will be delivering a big drop in the temperature as we head into tomorrow. Just a reminder, if you're going to be out driving tonight or tomorrow morning, it is going to take a lot longer to stop on leaf and covered roadways that are wet. In fact, it takes 3 times longer to stop a car when the roads have wet leaves on them. Just something to keep in mind for tomorrow morning's commute. Current temperature is 58 degrees. Our weather headlines, again, some rounds of heavier rain tonight, cooler weather to follow, and cool weather is going to linger around as we head into the weekend. Rain tonight, down to 53. We're taking a look at conditions as the kids head off to school. That bus stop forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, a major...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cavby Tower Cam. We are seeing widespread rain. The city lights not shining quite as brightly across the area. Here's a look at the scene. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Steady rain continues to fall across Herkimer, Otsego County. The rain becomes a little bit less as you head to the west, but then farther to the west, we have a round of some heavier rain and even some thunderstorms west of Syracuse. So we'll be keeping an eye on those. That'll be our next round of some widespread rain. And as we widen the picture out, you can notice that some of these white dots on the screen, those are lightning strikes that are being detected by our radar network. So there is the possibility that we could see a flash of lightning and a few rumbles tonight as this cold front moves through the region. Tomorrow is going to be a windy, cloudy, and cool day. We may see a few sprinkles throughout the afternoon. So if you are working outside, you're going to want to dress for the weather for sure. It is going to be noticeably cooler, about 20 degrees cooler compared to today. We have a couple of frost chances in our future for Saturday night as well as Sunday night, as overnight lows drop down into the mid-30s. We have not had a region-wide frost yet. We have not had frost in the Mohawk Valley, and this is very much late. And if we don't get it by Sunday, there's a good chance we may end up going into November before that happens. So we will see how that plays out. High school football heading into tomorrow evening. It is going to be the coolest one yet. Temperatures will be in the 40s. It will be cloudy and generally cool, but also generally dry. So if you're heading out to a game, just dress nice and warm. Here comes a cold front approaching from the west. This is going to be the game changer. This is going to cause the temperatures to fall abruptly as we head into tomorrow. We'll start out tomorrow morning with cloud cover. There will be some lake effect sprinkles as well, so it stays mostly cloudy. And the big story tomorrow, the wind and the chill. Temperatures will be in the low 50s throughout the day, and temperatures will also fall throughout the day. We'll drop down into the upper 30s tomorrow night. And then Saturday, notice the clouds linger around. Mostly cloudy skies Saturday. Temperatures climb into the low 50s, so another chilly day. Rain tonight, low 53. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a passing shower or two. A high of 54. And again, that high is early in the day. Most of the day, we're in the low 50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Down into the upper 30s tomorrow night. Mostly cloudy Saturday. Mostly cloudy Sunday. Making strides against Cancer. Temperatures in the low 50s. Looking at some scattered showers on Monday. Low 50s. Rain showers Tuesday. Temperatures do warm up into the upper 50s by Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.
We get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking some rain out there tonight.
Rain and maybe some thunder. Take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Yeah, it might be a little busy tonight for us. We have some thunderstorms that are out there. Not expecting any severe weather, but it could be enough to wake you up as you're trying to go to bed. We're looking to the west, and we can see a couple of lightning strikes south of Syracuse. This line's been generally weakening heading to the east, so we're not highly concerned about it. But again, some heavy rain, some rumbles of thunder certainly in the cards as we get into tonight. That line arrives here around midnight and will last into the early morning hours. If you're going to be driving tomorrow morning, just consider the fact that with this rain, the wind, we're going to have a lot of wet leaves on the road. It takes 3 times longer for your car to stop in these conditions tomorrow morning if you're going 40 miles an hour. Something to keep in mind over the next several days as we continue into the fall season. Current temperature 60 degrees and falling. We will continue to track some of that heavy rain tonight. Cooler weather to follow as we head into the weekend. Low tonight of 53. It is going to be a chilly one Friday. We're taking a look at the bus stop forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, amazing.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. Our Cav Tower Cam is looking into some rain that's falling over the city of Utica this evening. The rain is generally light, at least over the city, but it is a different story elsewhere. We're tracking a round of some heavier rain approaching from the west. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see all this yellow out towards Syracuse and even some reds. This indicating some heavier rain, even some thunder and lightning occasionally showing up. I think the thunder and lightning element to this line is going to be very limited as it heads east, but don't be surprised if you see a flash of lightning or a rumble of thunder as this rolls through the area. And we can see that this line it's going to take about 2 to 3 hours to move through the region. So we're thinking between now and say 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning, some heavier rain before it departs to the east. Tomorrow, it is going to be a much cooler day. If you're working outdoors, dress nice and warm, temperatures will be in the 50s. It starts out in the mid-50s, but it's going to be cooling down throughout the day, and we will have a couple of sprinkles out there as well. Looking ahead, better chances for frost in the forecast, specifically Saturday and Sunday night, with overnight lows dropping into the mid-30s. We have not had a region-wide frost yet, especially in the Mohawk Valley, and so that'll be our next chance to do that. If we don't get a frost in that stretch, it might not be until November before we fall below 32 degrees, which is very impressive and pretty close to the record. High school football tomorrow, it's going to be chilly. Temperatures will be in the 40s. We are looking at dry weather, though, but mostly cloudy skies, the coolest night so far this football season. So you look at the radar and satellite image, a cold front approaching from the west will bring us those big changes in the weather. Again, dealing with those showers and thunderstorms tonight. As we head towards tomorrow morning, though, the weather will calm down. We'll see breezy conditions in the morning, mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, and an occasional sprinkle or light rain shower from some lake effect rain to the west. Again, the big story is we start out in the mid-50s and we cool down throughout the day. Tomorrow night, the weather remains cloudy and cool as we drop down into the upper 30s. Saturday, cloudy skies. Temperatures will climb to 50. We will see a few breaks in the overcast Saturday afternoon, too. Rain tonight, some rumbles of thunder, low of 53. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a passing shower. We only go up 1 whole degree, a high of 54. And again, that's going to be in the morning as we cool off throughout the afternoon. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Saturday, cloudy skies 52, making strides against breast cancer. Sunday, that's in the morning, and it's a chilly one. Temperatures in the 50s in the afternoon. Some scattered showers Monday and Tuesday, slightly warmer, upper 50s, looking ahead to Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.